Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be sharing with you on how to solve logarithms problems. And this is the part 2 of this series. But before we continue, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. Like the video, share the link with your friends, and also please remember to click on the notification button. Thank you very much for your support. All right, let's get started. So these are the problems we'll be working on, and we shall be taking them one after the other. All right, so now let's start with the first one, question A. All right, so question A, we have log 8 divided by log 2. So now the first thing you should know is that the denominator is log 2. So we are going to try and change the numerator to log of 2, but to do that, we have to change log 8 to 2 exponent 3. And so this will become log 2. All right, so we have an exponent of 3 here. So next is to switch this 3 over here. Okay, so when you do that, the question becomes 3 log 2 over log 2. So at this point, you can see that we now have log 2 as the numerator and log 2 as the denominator. So log 2, we cancel out log 2 from here, and then the final answer will be equal 3. So this is the final answer to this question. I hope this makes some sense. All right, now let's move on to the next question. Question B, we have log 9 over log 3. So since we have the denominator to be log 3, we have to try and have the same value as the numerator. So we are going to change log 9 to log 3 exponent 2 over log 3. So now we are going to switch this exponent over here. And when you do that, this will become 2 log 3 over log 3. So at this point, log 3, we cancel out log 3, and the final answer will be equal 2. All right, so this is it for question B. Now let's move on to question C. All right, question C. We have log 32 over log 64. So you can see that when you have this kind of question, the first thing you think of is a number that we have a certain exponent that can give us 32, and also the same number to a different exponent that can give us 64. So log 2 exponent 5 will give us 32, and also log 2 exponent 6 will give us 64. So now we have to switch this 5 over here and also switch the exponent over here. So when you do that, then this will become 5 log 2 over 6 log 2. So now we have the same log at the top, numerator and the denominator. So this will cancel this from here. Therefore, the final answer is 5/6. So that is it for question C. I hope this makes some sense. All right, now let's move on to the next question. All right, question D, we have log 5 over log 1/5. Now, log 5 is the same as log 5 exponent 1. Why log 1/5 can be written as log 5 exponent -1. So this number 1/5 can also be written as 5 exponent 1. So at this point, we are going to switch this one to the back and also switch -1, switch -1 over here. And when you do that, the question becomes 1 log 5 over -1 log 5. So now we have log 5 as the numerator and log 5 as the denominator. So this will cancel this. And now we have 1 over -1, and which is equal -1. And so this is the final answer to this question. I hope this is clear to you. All right, let's move on to the next question. All right, over here we have log 0.5 over log 2. So we are going to change this decimal to fraction. So when we do that, we're going to have log 5 over 10 over log 2. So now we can simplify log 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this will become log 1/2 over log 2. So 1/2 can be changed to 1/2 can be changed to 2 exponent -1. So this will become log 2 exponent -1 over log 2 is the same as 2 exponent 1. So now we can switch -1. This is -1 here. Switch it over here, and this one we have here, switch this over here. So when we do that, this will be equals to -1 log 2 over 1 log 2. So log 2, we cancel out log 2 from here. Then this will be equal -1 over 1, which is finally equal -1. So this is the final answer to this question. I hope this makes some sense to you. All right, let's move on to the next question. All right, so question F, we have log 125 over log 1/25. So 125 can also be written as log 5 exponent 3 over 25 can be written as 5 exponent 2. So now, if you have a fraction, it's possible for you to change it to a whole number and change the exponent to negative. So this will become log 5 exponent 3 over log 5 exponent negative 2. So we have just changed 1 over 5 exponent 2 to 5 exponent negative 3. Okay, so now we can switch this 3 over here, and then this negative 2, we can also switch it over here. So when you do that, this question becomes 3 log 5 over negative 2 log 5. So log 5 can cancel out log 5 from here, and then we now have 3 over negative 2. You can leave the answer at this point, but can also be written as negative 1 whole number 1/2. So both of them are correct. All right, so now let's move on to the next question. All right, so question G, we have log 2 exponent b over log 8. So we can now write this as log 2 exponent b over log 2 exponent 3. So at this point, we can now switch this over here and 3 over here. So when that happens, the equation becomes b log 2 over 3 log 2. So now log 2 can cancel out log 2 from here, and this will now become b over 3. So this is the final answer to this question. All right, let's proceed to the next one. Question H. We have log 4 over log 2 exponent a. So now we can change 4 to log 2 exponent 2 over log 2 exponent a. So next is to switch these 2 over here, and then this a, switch it over here. So this will become 2 log 2 over a log 2. So at this point, 2 can now cancel out 2 from here, and then the final answer is equal 2 over a. So this is the final answer to this question, and this is the last question in this part 2 of this series. Okay, so if you find this video useful, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, send your comment, share the link with your friends, and also remember to click on the notification button if you have not yet done so. Thank you very much for your support. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye.